Hey there! Welcome to another eDirectory tutorial. Today, we're walking you through creating a free plan on your eDirectory website. Offering a free plan is a smart way to get new users to join and add listings without any initial cost. Alright, let's dive in. On your Site Manager dashboard, head over to Settings, then Products and Plans. Next up, click on Manage Products. Firstly, ensure you have a listing level set up as your free option. You can either create a new one or use an existing listing level. In this guide, we're going with a level named Bronze. Check out which features this free listing level will include in the feature sections below. And don't forget to save your changes. Now, click Products and Plans. Then, Manage Plans. Click Create Plan. Give your plan a name, like Free Plan. Keep the price at 0 and leave the billing cycle field as Select Cycle. This is crucial since free plans don't expire. With no recurring charges, there shouldn't be a billing cycle. That's how it works in eDirectory. Scroll down to the included product sections, find your free listing level, and click the plus icon to add it to the plan. Once you've added the listing to the plan, decide how many listings users can create. For this example, we'll allow 1 listing. To let users submit unlimited listings, just enable the unlimited option. If your website features multiple listing templates, you can assign a template to this plan. If there's only 1 listing template on your site, the system automatically uses it, so no extra setup is needed. When all is set, click Save to create the new free plan. Let's make the plan visible on your website. Go to Design, then Page Editor, and open the Advertise with Us page. Find the Pricing Plans Cards widget and click Edit. Click Add Plan. Select the free plan you created and click Add. Ensure your plan shows up in the widget and then click Save Changes. Also, be sure to click Save Changes at the top of the page. That's all there is to it. Your free plan is now live on your Advertise with Us page, so visitors can sign up and create listings at no cost. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you have more questions or need help, our support team is ready to assist. Catch you in the next eDirectory tutorial.